Hey everyone, welcome back to the car updates. This car has evolved over the years, and the 2025 model brings a fresh take on luxury and performance with that distinct Porsche feel. Whether you're a fan of luxury sedans or a thrill-seeking driver, this Panamera has something for you. So let's get into the details and see what makes this car stand out. Alright, let's start with the key features that make the 2025 Panamera such a compelling option. Porsche has packed this car with advanced tech, enhanced driving dynamics, and more than a few luxury touches. The Panamera offers several engine options, ranging from a high-performing V6 to a twin-turbocharged V8 in the higher trims. There's even a plug-in hybrid option that Porsche says blends performance with efficiency. The interior is as tech-savvy as ever, with a full suite of digital controls on the new infotainment screen and an all-digital instrument cluster that's fully customizable. Plus, Porsche has added its latest driver assist features, like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and more. So, in terms of features, this is a vehicle designed for both comfort and control. Now, let's talk performance, which is of course where the Porsche Panamera really shines. The standard model is no slouch, with a turbocharged V6 pushing out around 325 horsepower. But if you're craving more power, the Panamera GTS and Turbo S models will give you all the thrills you're looking for. The Turbo S cranks out an impressive 620 horsepower with its twin-turbo V8, taking you from 0 to 60 in just around 3 seconds. For those interested in a more eco-friendly option, the plug-in hybrid Panamera 4e Hybrid combines a V6 engine with an electric motor to provide strong acceleration and a quiet, refined ride while still delivering that Porsche performance feel. Porsche has managed to create a Panamera that blends sportiness with elegance. The 2025 model keeps the sleek, four-door coupe look with a few updates. Up front, the new, more pronounced LED headlights and redesigned air intakes add a touch of aggression. It's both wider and more aerodynamic, giving it a sporty, planted stance. Inside, the Panamera continues with high-quality materials, from leather upholstery to aluminum and carbon fiber accents, depending on the trim. The seats are both comfortable and supportive, perfect for long drives or high-speed adventures. And Porsche has updated the center console layout, making it more streamlined and user-friendly, especially with the larger touchscreen. So, what makes the 2025 Panamera stand out in a sea of luxury sedans? First, it's that unique Porsche DNA, the performance, the handling, and the sheer thrill of driving. Second, it's one of the few luxury cars that seamlessly combines sports car characteristics with the practicality of a sedan. You get ample cargo space, an ultra-smooth ride, and seating for 4, all while maintaining that sports car vibe. So that wraps up our look at the 2025 Porsche Panamera. Whether you're a Porsche enthusiast or just love luxury sedans that perform, this car is a solid choice with a bit of everything. From powerful engine options to top-notch interior luxury and cutting-edge technology, the Panamera proves once again that Porsche knows how to build a true performer. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next car deep dive. Drop a comment below to let us know what you think of the 2025 Panamera. Would you take it out on the open road? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.